enough. I'm hiding everybody else. That's why. Hey, it's a beautiful view though.
Business things, business things, business things, business things, business things, business things. Say business things, business things, business things, business things, business.
This is how we starting off the day. We're in the dock. Costa Mayo. Wait, what's this port called? Costa Maya. We got another Royal Caribbean right next to us. They way bigger though. Let's compare. Look at our top. We got Norwegian coming in over there. Or they anchored. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with it. But we just ate breakfast, y'all. It's gonna be great today, baby. Yup. Day 6. Day 6. Royal Caribbean. Another day, no excursion. Here we gonna see what the day have for us. I don't know why she's touching me. All this space, but she's touching me. Said, excuse me. Just walk around.
No, because you always in the mirror.
I wasn't even in the mirror. It's a mirror right there. It's a mirror right there. It's a mirror right there. Always want to go where I go. Gotta get it together, sister. Sister! Yeah, we about to turn up today, y'all. Sorry, I got distracted. About to turn up today doing, we don't know yet. Tap in. Like shoot. I haven't been waiting on. Boy, I tell you, boy. Huh?
You don't walk away until I excuse you. You will stand here and show me respect. Yes, ma'am. You're not going to be rude. Doors closing.
I was trying to be in my video. Smile. Hotness. You gonna click floor, please?
Doors closing.
Might go see what Mexico got to offer me. Where we at again?
Costa Maya, Mexico.
Costa Maya. Mexico. We about to go see what this got going on.
Deck 1.
You know, they know me everywhere. I'm famous like that.
Doors opening.
Yeah. Good day. How we doing? All right. Check out. Oh no, no photo. Slow pole right there, y'all. Let's go, Shem. There's another ship right here. MSC. Okay. It's a Norwegian, is one of them. It's probably that one. That was Norwegian. I didn't see this one. I don't know. That's shape. Yeah, that ship's small. Look how wide that is. It's like 2 of the ships. Costa Maya. Dito pa din. Take no picture with him. Maybe mind them. A lot of people here. Oh, shoot, look at that up there. Look up top, Shamika.
No, el agua, ellos quieren poner un mire nuevo ahí.
What is it? We walked up here for this? Yeah, we walked up here for this. I thought it was something else.
Alright, take a picture while I'm here then.
You want a picture? Where's what I thought? Let's go back down. Watch my step. Out here. Look at this. We just got out here. Oh my gosh, I'm hot.
No, it was pretty far.
Piranha Spa. Oh no. Look at those. How much is that?
I don't know. Let me ask you. Excuse me.
Look, she got the fishes over there eating.
How much is this bag?
35.
Look, she got the fishes over there eating her feet. Dolphins over there. It was a dolphin. Over there. You definitely don't really need to buy nothing. Oh, this is the pool they're talking about. I don't like going to pool where there's a lot of people at. Germs. Germs.
They don't have a lot of people.
Germs. Okay, I dig it though.
They were on our earlier.
You don't even have to get an excursion for this port. This port got everything you need, but this water don't look clean enough for me. Huh? We'll get there eventually. It's two sides. Shamika, right here. Right here. Shamika, right here. She's so hard-headed, y'all. I might let her be. I don't think she get lost down here. Going about my business. Wasn't it? We thought it was. Look at the massage. That say $75, man. Where's that $5 massage? Dude, I don't see no $5 massage.
Me one.
People doing right here in front of us. Let's start it. Clap, 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 clap. Oh! 3, 2, 1, tequila. Yep. Everybody dancing, everybody dancing. Ajajaj. The pool party's about to start. Everybody's in back there. The pool is absolutely free.
It's hot. It's hot.
I need to find one of those. That's what I'm looking for. I brought this one from home. What about this one?
look like Don. I thought it was Don for a second. Hey, real deal. Rastaman things. No, we don't want none of that. You already bought her something. You can buy her something if you want to again, but you already bought her one of those. Right, no, not that budget.
I said she could ain't put her little stuff in here. She likes stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I can keep my big one.
Both big ones? That's so selfish.
She said she's not trying to be dark anymore.
It's not trying to be what?
It's dark.
That's not dark. All right. What?
Want to do the tour?
It's a tour? By just walking?
Uh-huh.
Hey, $14 to walk on it? Whatever you want to do. Yeah, I paid $14 for this, y'all. I wouldn't have paid it, but we know who paid it. Hold on, put my book bag on. Big chore. I probably won't be able to pay. Look, our little friends, them. I don't know their name. Yeah, I don't know their name. What the heck? Oh, hell no. Did we go the wrong way?
You the end. Huh? You the end. No, we wanted to go up the thing. We don't want to come here. I'll come here.
Oh, we done went the wrong way. I was about to say, I was about to get mad. I was about to get mad. I'm like, oh, hell no, they got us. I was about to say. This side. Back side, man. I don't know why this is Shamika. Go on, man. I don't know if anybody know me. I don't like heights. I'm already tall enough. I'm higher than everybody else. That's why. Hey. Look up. Mirror. I saw something. Oh, you scared or something? Stop being scared now. You paid for it. Don't be scared now. Covered by the blood, so I ain't tripping. Stinking here though. Are you going the right way? Stop being so scared. Just scare yourself. Oh, this is beautiful, okay. Alright, we got birds. Alright, I'm cover my eyes. The birds in them, man. Sure. She buried it in. Oh, that's why they say one door at a time. Okay. Woodpecker. Ducks, I guess.
Don't touch birds. Stuff the cup. Do some salad. Okay. You're gonna need help, tip. I feel you. I feel you. Good thing. We know you. We used to seeing you. Yeah, we used to you.